Hi guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable the Roblox UI navigation on your PC, which you can get stuck and unable to use your movement. This should be quite an easy tutorial. So while playing any Roblox experience, either on your PC, tablet, or mobile device, you might enable the UI navigation by mistake. So to fix this, and as you can see, I cannot move and it's just on the left part that is moving. So to enable it and fix this and allow you to walk freely again, open up your Roblox settings on PC by just pressing the escape key. To open your settings and under help, you can preview your current key bindings for the games. Under miscellaneous, you can see which key toggles the UI selection or UI navigation. So by default, it's the backslash key. So now, we can exit settings and use the backslash key on your keyboard to toggle the UI navigation on and off. So I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!